Hi everyone, this is Jennifer Phillips Humphreys, and I'm going to give you a brief tour of my interactive whiteboard assignment that I worked on this week. I created it at realtimeboard.com. I did like this site. I'm not going to say it didn't take me a couple of minutes to get used to it, because just like anything else that you're unfamiliar with, it does. But I did find that once you played around with a couple of the tools, it was relatively easy to start creating a lesson. So my lesson's on our solar system, discovering the planet. In addition to getting to know this particular tool, my objective was to create something that was visually interesting, got the students out of their seats and engaged in their own learning process. And hopefully I've done that. So I start off with two videos. They're both about 3 minutes long. One is about space exploration, and of course the idea behind that was just hopefully to get the students excited with the idea of outer space and exploring it together. The second one is more specifically about the planets, their names, and their relationship to the sun. I then have a few images. This one just reiterates the names of the planet and their placement, and this one is a blank photograph where I thought we could practice naming them and the ordering of them as well. I then have some cartoon-like images sprinkled throughout the web page for each planet. And when you go click on, say, the planet Earth, there's an embedded link in the planet Earth, and it would take you to a website with specific facts about the planet Earth. Ask a couple questions, and there might be like an activity or two on a few of them. Not all of them, though. And I just thought we could work our way around that as a class and get to know a couple of the planets each day by clicking on these and working on the activities associated with them. I then have two interactive pieces on the on the whiteboard. I've got Planet Scramble and I've got a matching game. This one you just read the sentence and match it with the appropriate planet. This one is a word scramble, which is self-explanatory. And of course the idea is to get the students out of their seats and they can come up and write right on the whiteboard, which they all love to do. We would finish up the lesson with a Quizlet. And again, I have an embedded hyperlink in here so that we would just click on the Q and it would take us right to this short little quiz about naming the planets. That's basically it. I had a really good time creating it. It was actually a lot of fun. And again, I definitely recommend using Real-Time Board. It was a really interesting tool that I can see myself using in the future. Thank you.